Hi, I'm Karl Thomson from StorageCraft, and here I've got with me the OneXafe 4412. So this is a OneXafe scale-out NAS based on object storage. The 4400 series is the 2U hard drive model. We also have a 5410, which is the 1U all-flash option. But the 4412's got 12 disks in the front. The 4417 can take another 3 disks in the middle and 2 more at the back. So that would give us a total of 17 disks. And if you fully populated that with 12 terabyte disks, it would give you 204 terabytes of raw capacity. So the really cool thing with the OneXafe is that we can ship this to you as the chassis, and you can actually bring your own disks. Alternatively, we can bundle the disks in for you, and the great thing about that is you're going to get the full warranty, the on-site support for replacing those disks if you need them. But yeah, with the ability to bring your own disks, it really enables you to lower that TCO. You can just start with the amount of disks that you need to get going, and you can add more. You can mix and match different vendors, different size disks. You're not locked into you're having to buy from StorageCraft for all those disks. And once you start consuming the storage, if you need more, you can just add disks to automatically grow your storage pool. You can also automatically you can also plug in additional nodes to automatically scale the total capacity into additional clusters. So the OneXafe supports up to 7 nodes in a single cluster. With the 4417, you're nearly at 1.5 petabytes of raw storage if you fully populated that, which is pretty cool. Now the really cool thing with these is they've got a lot of really good enterprise features. You've got built-in inline dedupe, compression, encryption at rest, share-based replication, and that's very efficient because it's replicating the post-dedupe, post-compressed data to the other side. But if we take a look here, we've got the 12 disks. So I mentioned you can bring your own disks, so we fully load these up with the hard drive bays, and you can mix and match any SAS or SATA drive, and you can have different sizes, 8 terabyte, 10 terabyte, 12 terabyte disks, the 3.5 inch ones, SAS or SATA, and plop them in. And as you add more disks, the storage will just automatically provision and continue to grow. And being based on object storage, we're not limited to the challenges of RAID. We don't have to create LUNs. We don't have to worry if a disk fails. It will automatically rebalance itself. It'll self-heal. We don't have to go through a rigorous RAID rebuild for replacing these disks. And that's what enables you to use large 12 terabyte disks without worrying about will this disk fail in a rebuild, having to rigorously read all the sectors on the disk. So really cool. Great for unstructured data such as file shares, so getting rid of those file servers occupying a lot of capacity on your SAN and offloading that to a OneXafe, perhaps another share set up for your backup targets, and it's just a single pool of storage, and all of the shares that you create on here will have access to that. You don't have to go and carve stuff up, and as you add in disks, add in nodes, it will continue to automatically scale that single pool of storage, which is really good. The most popular feature on this is the built-in CDP. So this gives us protection against things like ransomware and corruption. Every share on here can be snapshotted every 90 seconds. It's inherently part of the object storage, so we don't have to go and copy that data off somewhere else. It doesn't take up a whole heap of extra space. It's obviously all deduped and compressed data, but it happens instantly. So every 90 seconds, all of the data on here can be snapshotted into immutable storage. Users can right-click previous versions to grab files and folders back from any of those snapshots. We can also instantly promote a share. So if I've got a 300 gig media share that got hit by ransomware, I can instantly promote that from 90 seconds ago, an hour ago, last night, instantly get that data straight back into a new share. I don't have to wait for a rigorous copy time. So we've got a fantastic recovery point objective and a really good recovery time objective because we can instantly recover from those snapshots. So yeah, ransomware protection, scale out storage, not being limited to scale up, and then having to do a forklift upgrade, and really the benefits of being able to just start with the capacity I need today and then adding disks, adding in chassis as I may need to grow in the future. Cool. Hey, well, thanks for watching my video, and it's been great to give you a little bit of an insight into the StorageCraft OneXafe.